Thanai. If you don't know, now you know. Today I pretty much was just going to show you a small clip of, because I'm always in my bedroom, well, a lot, I should say, because of makeup and, you know, I have a lot of my, like, you know, different accessories, brushes, I have my clothing, and everything is done in my room right now. I don't have extra space for just, like, my makeup room. What you will be seeing is just me minor cleaning, wiping down things, and putting things where they belong. So, please stay tuned, and thank you so much for viewing my channel. If you're new, subscribe, like, and definitely comment. Let me know if you liked it, and if you did, thumbs it up, please, if you want to see more of these type of videos. Anyways, yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, bear with me, and other than that, let's go ahead right into the video.
You're up in the sky, I'll carry you home, home to the mountain near. And soon, my friend, you'll see them again, the ones you left behind, the ones you left behind. And I'll sing for you all the way home. But why does it feel like home isn't home? I've been in this war too long. It's in the air that I breathe, oh, it's in the trees. It shivers down my spine. It shivers down my spine. I just sing my song as I walk through the gate. There she stands just like before, but she doesn't look the same. The fear in her eyes, I've seen it before, and she can't recall my name. No, she can't.
So right now I'm just getting like these out the way because like they're dirty. I'm gonna put this in here. I'm gonna go ahead and dust in here, and that should be it. Hey everybody. So yeah, you see me here really trying to use the wipes to remove some makeup. And yeah, this is where I do my makeup and grab my other I don't know, makeup things, yeah, to use. So those teddy bears are from my father. God rest his soul. And yes, those are they have to be next to me all the time. I use those wipes specifically because they have a very distinctive scent to them as well. So I'm wiping down the last bottom shelf pretty much because the next time I do a tutorial I want it to be nice and clean. On that note, my friends, my loves, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a part of my family. If you aren't subscribed, definitely smash that subscribe button. Ring that little notification bell so you know when I upload. I would greatly appreciate it. Other than that, you all know, please be safe, be well, be happy. Take care of your mind, body, and soul. And as always, I love you all, appreciate you all. And yeah, stay safe. Peace.